Yeah, it's all uphill from here, quite literally. Temperatures even tonight are going to very slowly rise, and when they're going up overnight instead of down, you have a warm day ahead almost always. One or two exceptions, but not normally. Right now, good visibility on Skyview as well. We had a couple of showers, or really more like sprinkles around earlier. Off to the north, we had a little bit more. Turned up the visibility. Notice how it's all in a ring right here around the radar site. Now I'll take that off and just put areas of rain on for you. Put it into motion. You'll be able to see we actually had a few showers, even a heavy shower up there across areas just to the north of Matthews and Gloucester, closer to Middlesex, on up toward the northern neck. That started to die out a bit as it headed toward the eastern shore. We had talked about that earlier, but really it's primarily gone. Temperatures close to as low as they're going to go. I think we'll have a low 41, 42 tonight. Right now we're at 43. Winds out of the south, just 7 miles per hour, but that southerly direction bringing in, again, more of the warmth. So the winds have already started to shift. They were southeasterly. Now they're southerly. They'll go to southwesterly and pick up even a little bit more by morning. So that isolated sprinkle mainly across the eastern shore, and even then, a lot of that is not reaching the ground, what little bit there is out there. Otherwise, just becoming partly cloudy as the clouds continue to move offshore. Notice those temperatures go from lower 40s back up into the mid 40s by morning, so still chilly, but definitely better than we have done recently. This morning was 30s. And then as we get into sort of the end of rush hour time frame, we'll be talking about some upper 40s. By lunchtime, upper 50s, depending on how early you go. You take a late lunch, it'll be in the 60s. And then we're going to top out tomorrow right about 70 degrees. Like today, there will be a chance of a few showers, isolated activity, but still a few areas off, mainly to the north, and even into tomorrow evening as they sort of come over the top side of the ridge and tend to weaken like the ones tonight did. And look at Thursday. Our normal high is 61 degrees. That's what we're going to see, close to it anyway, as the low. And then once we get into the afternoon, temperature soaring up near 80 degrees. Virtually no chance of rain, let's say under a 10% chance, and more heat behind that, although it does eventually start to fade. Here's the warm front lifting through. More rain showed up on radar than actually ended up reaching the ground. So for tonight, 41 with temperatures rising slowly toward morning. Skies becoming partly cloudy. Tomorrow, 70. Very low risk of a shower late, although some northern areas probably have a little bit better shot at it. 79 or 80 on Thursday. Friday, some scattered showers likely, maybe even a thunderstorm, only 74. A rather cool Saturday at 61, but that's normal. And with a lot of sunshine, it won't feel too bad, just not as warm as the next 3 days. And then Sunday, 64 for Easter, about a 20% chance of a shower.
We've waited a long time for
those kinds of numbers. Yeah. Well, we had them in February.
And they went away.
They just didn't stick around.
Yeah, all right. Thanks, Jeff.